to DunnZWorld. I'm done. If you're new here, I'm gonna give you a kiss, give you a hug, and tell you welcome. You love it here, and if you're returning, welcome back, fam. So y'all already know what time it is. I know you read the title to this video, and yes, I will be reviewing and unboxing the Yeezy Dove hoodie. All right, so I already did a video about this whole ordeal probably some weeks back. I told y'all I was thinking about copping it just because of the controversy around this hoodie, and I went on ahead and copped it, and it's here. So now I'm gonna pull it out this box and show y'all what it is and show y'all what it ain't, and which honestly I think it's gonna be a good cop regardless of anything. But y'all know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stand in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the box, y'all. It's a regular box. So I did order mine off of GOAT. Okay, so I did that. I trust GOAT. I feel like, you know, I've been using GOAT for some years. Like, I've been ordering off of GOAT, but I've been ordering off of GOAT for over a decade, y'all. So I fuck with GOAT. I don't care what nobody say. Nobody can make me dislike GOAT. So this is the packaging. All right. Look like a pink slip. Who puts a pink slip in there? Look like a pink slip to send me to ISS. What the hell? Let's see what this is. All right, so it's in one clear bag. This is similar to the type of bags that the rest of all these other Yeezy pieces came in. So it actually has this sticker here that says Dove hoodie. All right, that's 2 stickers. Pink slip. And then we got the certified authenticity card from GOAT. Bada bing, bada boom. We're gonna go ahead and pull this hoodie out of this bag so we can see what it's working with. All right. So just the first look, y'all. I like how they got it folded real neatly. Like, it was really folded extra neat inside of that bag. Like, no complaints there. So I did order the black one. This is a medium, okay? I should have learned my lesson, right? As far as ordering mediums when it comes to ordering these Yeezy pieces, but I felt like because it's a hoodie, it's gonna fit exactly how I wanted to, which is a little bit more oversized than normal. So I went with the medium. So hopefully it fit like how I think it's gonna fit, y'all, which I think it will. I think it will, because I've seen how the mediums and the larges look on other people, and I was just like, I think a medium would do. I think a small would have been damn near a halter top, you know? So, but yeah, so this is how the front of it looks. We're gonna go ahead and unfold that bad boy. Like, they got this thing folded up real nice. Okay, so this is the front. Let's see, because I know people be talking crazy about the letters. Letters look straight to me. They look all right to me. I ain't tripping off it. It look all right to me. All right, let's see if they got this tag on the inside. Yup, got the tag on the inside. And this one says made in Cambodia. Got that medium size tag on the inside. All right. The cuff is cuffing. The cuff is cuffing, all right? Nothing out of the ordinary there, right? Yeah. Let's see. I just love how it's just double layered. It has the care tag, and it's shit like a little booklet. Ah, damn. Shit. Yeah, so it has the care tags on the inside, all right? I just love this extra lining, like how it was double layered, y'all. And the biggest issue that a lot of people be tripping off of is this goddamn dove on the back. So it looks a little textured, but not too much. Like I said, I spent my money on this, right? And based off of what was presented and what was being advertised, I was okay with it. I'm like, this looks good to me, goddammit. So up close and personal and actually having it in my possession, I'm just like, this shit fire, this shit fine. Like, what was everybody crying about? So this is the Dove. This is the Dove. Hopefully y'all can see that clear, real good, real good. But yeah, you know, like this hoodie looks pretty fucking fire, y'all. But I do want to see something. Okay, I just wanted to check real quick because all the other shirts say made in Cambodia too, so I just wanted to check real quick. But yeah, so I mean, the shit look plush to me, you feel me? Like, it looked fire to me, y'all. Like I said, this is the one, this is a medium. Ordered it in black. The lighting probably is not doing justice because it's slick, kind of look greenish, but it's not. So this is, it kind of looks green, but I don't know if y'all remember me telling y'all in my previous videos how the black don't look black, but of course it's because it's that acid washed color black. But yeah, this is what we have going on, y'all, and so far so fucking good. Like, it's heavy as hell. You dig what I'm saying? Like, it kind of make you wonder what people be crying about. I don't know. Then again, I can't even talk shit because I'm thankful that I got what I intended to order, you know? I'm glad I got what I saw on the internet and not some fugazi shit. But yeah, so now we're gonna try this bad boy on so we can see how it looks, and I'm gonna pop back in with y'all. Now we're gonna try it on. I think I'm gonna throw on Los Angeles Archives all black t-shirt and exclusive DNA jogger sweatpants. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the hoodie, y'all. Like I said, I ordered this in a medium. I went on ahead and threw on my Yeezy desert boots, which I felt like will go perfect with it. And this is what we got. We'll go ahead and throw this hoodie on for y'all. The hoodie slit kind of felt a little tight when I was putting it on, but I think it's because of my hat, possibly. But I'm gonna give y'all a 360. The shirt underneath it, I think is a medium, might be a large. Pants is a medium, and these desert boots are an 11, all right? So I'm all Yeezy'd out, you dig what I'm saying? I honestly have no complaints with this hoodie. It is kind of baggy, I will say, but it's what I was going for. So it's not overly big. I feel like if I would have got a small, then it would have been entirely too cropped. Because as you can see, you can tell how it's cropped in the back. You can definitely tell how it's cropped in the back. But I feel like a small, that shit would have been raising up my back. So this is perfect, this is perfect. Go ahead and give y'all a close-up of this hoodie. Break it, roll. Yeah. You feel me? Like, it fits perfect. It fits really fucking good, y'all. I wish they had more pants though. I wish they had like some more sweatpants, some of these type of sweatpants on exclusive DNA, like in different colors. But I don't know, they just didn't have a wide selection of just different colors from what I remember. I will say this, y'all, like, I am a Yeezy fan. I love Yeezy products, shoes, clothes, but just because it got Yeezy on it don't mean I'm gonna buy it, which means I'm not gonna buy every single thing that's Yeezy, because some of the things that Yeezy does release, I just be like, nah, that's too much, like doing too much. Like, that's, I feel like that's overboard. Like, I'm not gonna walk around wearing that. You dig what I'm saying? Like, it has to make sense to me. I feel real comfortable in this fit, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell. Ooh, y'all just don't know. When that temperature drop outside, it is over with. We will get back to the rest of the video, so y'all sit tight. This hoodie heavy, y'all. I hope it don't break my hanger. Got these hangers off of Amazon. I just wanted to pop in and let y'all know what that hoodie looked like up close, personal, and on my body. I went on ahead and just threw on some other Yeezy pieces as well as the Yeezy boots just to give y'all an even bigger picture of what they look like. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the hoodie, about the fitting, just about the whole nine about the hoodie. Because listen, when I tell you, there was so much controversy about this hoodie, in which it really done died down now. I haven't been hearing too much about it. I think that ship done sailed as far as that subject. But I still wanted that hoodie. I still wanted that goddamn hoodie, and I told you I was gonna get that hoodie. But anywho, I will honestly say that the hoodie was a success. I like it. It fits really fucking good. I actually have a Billionaire Studios hoodie that has that double layer stitching on the inside, and its slit kind of fits almost the same. It's just that the hood part of the actual hoodie is completely different than the Billionaire Studios hood. But I mean, it's like night and day almost with those two different hoodies, y'all. Like, they're both very heavy, you know, they both have that inner lining on the inside. So it's cool. It's cool. I fuck with it. So definitely will be wearing that this fall and this winter, y'all. I have no complaints. Like I said, and which I'll repeat it, that hoodie was a medium. I ordered it off of Go based off of the biggest key things that a lot of people kind of, I don't know, I guess point out the most about the hoodie. I mean, it doesn't seem like a factor with mine. Mine seems completely fine, and which y'all can see it from this angle because I hung it up. Like, it looks fine. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to check this hoodie out with me. Y'all know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And as always, fam, peace.
One time like, two time like, hey, me pop up. Say let me put you in position for the acquisition of some major paper. I'm just dipping, we ain't even tripping. You could thank me later. Sauce and dripping, hoe I'm finger licking, serving different flavors. See me flicking while I'm chasing chicken, flying on some acres. Ay, old school weed, sending nothing but some G's in it. Full pack of top papers, about to put some P's in it. Twerk it for me, baby, and make sure you put your knees in it. I got leg room, I could probably fit your knees in it. What y'all know about that country shit from by the river's edge? Thought I told you colder than a winter out in Winnipeg. Popping like you better be when you the proper pedigree. Blowing sweet and sour while I'm chewing on that sesame. Know that God blessing me so they can't get the best of me. Sometimes he be testing me so I perfect my recipe. Cocoa butter cutter, got it cracking at the crib. We some ghetto boys now, nigga lacking where I live.